Hi and welcome to a new video. In a previous video, I explained the differences between the two names of an iPhone or iPad, as well as how to change both, the Apple ID name as well as the device name. In this video, I'll explain all the names of a MacBook and how you can change them. Let's go. Unlike an iPhone or an iPad, which only have two names, a Mac can have several different names that can be changed, which you might find confusing. There is the Apple ID name, your computer name, and the user accounts, which includes a full name, account name, and home directory name. In case you buy a used MacBook, first make sure to erase everything and restore it back to factory settings. This way, you will be able to choose all the names in the installation process to your preference. Let's start with the first one, which is the Apple ID name. Click on the Apple icon, then choose System Preferences. Here is your Apple ID name, which is synced to the other devices connected to the same Apple ID. To change the name, click on Apple ID and select Name, Phone, and Email from the sidebar. Now tap on Edit and enter your desired name. Then confirm with Save. The computer name is mostly used for file sharing and appears on your iCloud account's list of connected devices. Your computer name will appear on the Find My app, on Airdrop, or when you have Bluetooth activated. I won't recommend you to use your real name as your computer name because other people can see it when you are in public, and you have, for example, Airdrop enabled for everyone. Okay, but how can you change the computer name? First, go back to System Preferences and open Sharing. On the top, you can see your computer name. Just click on it and you can change it to whatever you like. Keep in mind that after updating, it may take an hour to see the changes on other devices like your iPhone. From here, you can also change your local network name or host name. This is used to identify your computer on your local network. To change it, click on the Edit button here. By default, it's just your computer name followed by .local. But you can change it if you want. Just make sure that the name is unique in your local network. Tap OK to confirm. If you share your MacBook with others, you should create a separate user account for each user. It's like having multiple MacBooks in one device. All data and files are separated from one user to another. Basically, there are three types of user accounts. First, the administrator who has the overall control over all other accounts. Note that your Mac should have at least one administrator. Second is the standard account that can only access and change the settings of their own account. And finally, the managed account, which is most often used to gain parental control over an account owned by a kid. But where do you see your user account name? First, your full name is displayed when you are logging in on your Mac. In my case, my full name is just the letter J. Your home directory, where all your files from the user are stored, has, in most cases, also the same name like your username. If you can't find your home directory, click on Finder at the menu bar, then on Preferences. Here, choose Sidebar and make sure you have the home directory enabled. You can change your full name, which you can see on the login screen, but it is not recommended to change the username or the home directory to avoid problems. To change the full name of a user account, first open the System Preferences. Then choose Users and Groups. Click the lock icon to authenticate yourself and enter your password to make changes. Make sure you are logged in as the administrator. Right-click on the user account you want to modify and select Advanced Options. You can now change the full name to what you like and hit OK to save. Click the lock icon again, and now you must restart your Mac to see the changes. On the login screen, you can now see the full name I edited. If you want to change the account name and home directory so that it matches with your full name, then the best way is to just create a new user account and copy all the data from the existing account to the new account. To do this, open System Preferences and click again on Users and Groups. Now, click the plus button to create a new user account. Select which type of account you want to create and enter a full name and an account name. Create and verify your password. and hit the Create User button once you are done with the user account details. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.